Hi, it's Nick with SprinterStore.com, and today we're doing an unboxing of the ETON center and front speaker upgrade system brought to us by GoCode. This particular model is the UG-MB-SF 2.1. This is a completely plug-and-play system, and it replaces your factory speakers in the doors and the 3 speakers in the dash. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what we're looking at. So, really well-made cardboard box. This is very heavy grade stuff, and okay, first off, that's a good boxing. We do have our usual manual. Everybody loves a good manual, and this one is quite good. It is in both German and a couple of other languages as well. Good English instructions, although to be honest, I don't think you need much instructions. It's a pretty simple installation kit. We have a nice cardboard spacer to keep any damage away from the speakers. It's a sign of somebody who knows how speakers work. All right, let's go ahead and pop this open and see what we've got. So, wow, okay, that's a really nice system. What we've got here is 2 5-inch, beautifully built, German-made speakers. Very nice magnet on that. Good composite housing, factory plug-and-play connectors, very heavy magnet too, and good quality on the felting and everything. Really nice speakers. So we've got 2 of those. These are going to be your front door speakers. And as they say in the kit, everything is plug and play. This all drops directly into the factory mounts. So these are 3 ohm a pop, which should match the factory system. They're engineered in Germany and made by ETON. Now we've got our center channel, which is a nice little 2.5 or 3, I'd have to measure. Huge magnet on that guy, look at that, that's massive. And it does include the dual channel connectors, which makes this a complete factory drop-in. Also has the factory snap, so this will plug right into your system and work perfectly, really enhancing the audio. And the final piece, which is even cooler, is these are 1-inch speaker pods that replace the forward speakers up against the windshield as your tweeters, and they do include a built-in crossover, which is really awesome. So you're not going to get any distortion out of them. Again, with factory connectors, all very well built. German speakers, those are very well mounted, and they come in their own branded plastic, so that should drop directly in. So we've got 2 of those as well. Then in the bottom of the kit, we have a trim removal tool and a couple of nice logos so you can slap on your speakers down on the doors to make sure people know you have the good stuff. So very well built. Just the cardboard box alone has got a very nice heavy feel to it. They obviously care about quality with shipping, and everything's neatly packaged and labeled. Like I said, all factory connectors, our wiring covers, everything has been properly rubber coated so you don't have to worry about wires pulling out or anything shorting. All in all, I gotta say, it's a gorgeous looking product. I really look forward to installing it.